case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The dispute, situated in the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of Florida in 1999, involved a debtor whose homestead exemption claim was under scrutiny. The crux of the legal quarrel revolved around a principle. Can a debtor who has taken part in fraudulent activities to garner funds and elevate a homestead assert their homestead exemption as a safeguard? The adversary, Travelers, was implicated in a contentious battle with a debtor who had engaged in fraudulent activity to dock funds for home renovations. The court took into account the unreliable testimony of the debtor, who received fraudulent checks, and concluded that they were fully aware of the illicit operations. As a resulting consequence, the court made a significant decision. The debtor cannot utilize their homestead exemption as a protective shield against any potential legal actions from Travelers. The court's decision held significant implications for the debtor. Travelers was granted an equitable lien that exceeded the current value of home equity due to its investment in the remodeling project. In addition, it squashed the debtor's valiant attempts at claiming the homestead exemption, granting Travelers the green light to pursue the full amount, with an added accretion of federal judgment interest. This firmly shuts the door on the debtor's attempts at repelling legal actions through the use of their homestead exemption. Despite the debtor's best efforts, it was decreed that even foreclosure could be used to enforce Travelers' claim. The court's ruling distinguished this case from previous ones, such as Trammell v. Stewart and Butterworth v. Caggiano, by clarifying that the rulings in re Lane, re Popek, and Key Bank of Maine v. Jost held no relevance here. This legal battle reaffirmed a principle: fraudulent activities do not warrant the protection of the homestead exemption.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.